Freelancer.com is like a giant digital marketplace. It connects businesses with freelancers. Freelancers are people who offer their skills for hire. Think of it as a global job board for online work. Clients post projects and freelancers bid on them. It covers a wide range of skills like writing, design, programming, and more. Freelancer.com is a platform where you can find work from home. It allows you to be your own boss and set your own hours. Whether you're looking for full-time work or just some extra cash, Freelancer.com has something for everyone. Freelancer.com is a fantastic option for making money online. Firstly, it's incredibly accessible and user-friendly. You don't need any special qualifications or experience to get started. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to create a profile and start bidding on projects. Secondly, it's a global platform, meaning you can find work from clients all over the world. This international reach allows you to connect with diverse clients and work on a variety of projects. This opens up a vast pool of opportunities regardless of your location. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, you can access the same job listings and compete for the same projects. Thirdly, Freelancer.com offers a flexible way to earn. You can choose projects that fit your schedule and work at your own pace. You can work as much or as little as you like depending on your availability and financial goals. This flexibility is perfect for those who need to balance work with other commitments. This makes it an ideal choice for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for a side hustle. You can work from anywhere, whether it's a coffee shop, your home, or even while traveling. Finally, Freelancer.com is a great way to gain experience and build your portfolio. By taking on different projects, you can develop your skills and showcase your abilities to potential clients. Each completed project adds to your portfolio, making you more attractive to future clients. This continuous growth and development can lead to more opportunities and higher earnings over time. Your Freelancer.com profile is your first impression. It's what potential clients see when they're looking for freelancers. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference in attracting clients and securing jobs. So, how do you make your profile stand out from the crowd? Firstly, choose a professional profile picture. This doesn't have to be a formal headshot, but it should be clear and approachable. Secondly, write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Keep it concise and easy to read, focusing on the value you can bring to clients. Finally, showcase your portfolio. Include examples of your previous work that demonstrate your abilities. Section 4. Navigating the world of Freelancer.com. Jobs. Finding the right jobs on Freelancer.com is crucial for your success. This platform offers a wide range of opportunities for freelancers in various fields, from graphic design to software development, writing, and more. With thousands of projects posted daily, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The sheer volume of listings can make it challenging to identify the best opportunities that align with your skills and career goals. But don't worry, there are ways to navigate this vast marketplace effectively. By using a few strategic approaches, you can streamline your job search and find the projects that are the best fit for you. Firstly, use the search function to find projects that match your skills and interests. This tool allows you to filter through the vast number of listings and focus on the ones that are most relevant to you. Be specific with your keywords to narrow down your search results. The more precise you are, the better your chances of finding projects that truly match your expertise. Once you've found some potential jobs, take the time to read the project descriptions carefully. Understanding the details of each project is essential to determine if it's a good fit for you. Pay attention to the client's requirements, budget, and deadline. These factors will help you assess whether the project aligns with your capabilities and availability. Secondly, don't be afraid to apply for jobs that may be slightly outside your comfort zone. Taking on new challenges can help you grow and expand your skill set. Sometimes the best opportunities come from stepping out of your comfort zone. Embrace the chance to learn and develop new skills, and you might find yourself landing projects that are both rewarding and lucrative. Section 5. Mastering the art of bidding on Freelancer.com. Bidding is at the heart of Freelancer.com. It's the primary way freelancers secure projects and build their reputation on the platform. It's how you convince clients that you're the right person for the job. A compelling bid can set you apart from the competition. A well-crafted bid can make all the difference in securing a project. It's not just about the price. It's about presenting yourself as the best candidate. So, how do you write a winning bid? Firstly, personalize your bid. This shows the client that you've taken the time to understand their needs. Address the client by name and show that you've taken the time to understand their project requirements. Mention specific details from the project description to demonstrate your attention to detail. Secondly, highlight your relevant skills and experience. Tailor your bid to showcase how your background aligns with the project's needs. Explain why you're the best fit for the job and what you can bring to the table. Provide examples of past work that are similar to the project you're bidding on. Thirdly, propose a realistic budget and timeline. Be transparent about your rates and how long you expect the project to take. Don't undersell yourself, but also be mindful of the client's budget. A fair and reasonable proposal can increase your chances of winning the bid. Finally, proofread your bid carefully before submitting it. A polished and error-free bid reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. Typos and grammatical errors can make you look unprofessional. Take the time to review your bid thoroughly to ensure it's perfect. Section 6. Ensuring you get paid. Tips for secure transactions. Getting paid for your hard work is essential. Freelancer.com offers a secure payment system that protects both freelancers and clients. Here are some tips to ensure you get paid on time. Firstly, familiarize yourself with Freelancer.com milestone payment system. This allows clients to release payments in stages as the project progresses. Secondly, communicate with your clients throughout the project. Keep them updated on your progress and address any concerns promptly. Finally, if any issues arise, don't hesitate to contact Freelancer.com support team. They're there to assist you with any payment disputes or other problems. Section 7. Conclusion. Your freelancing journey begins now. Freelancer.com offers a world of opportunities for anyone looking to make money online. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or possess any other marketable skill, Freelancer.com provides a platform to connect with clients worldwide. By following these tips, you can create a standout profile, find the right jobs, and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. So what are you waiting for? Your freelancing journey truly begins now.